Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do something super quick and easy to show you guys how to get that Instagram blogger wave hairstyle. It's a style you would have seen on heaps of feeds as well as one that is used by quite a lot of fashion boutiques, and it's actually super easy to do and looks so effortless and chic. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So first I'm going to brush out my hair and then section off the top half of my hair. I'm then taking a piece about 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch thick and wrapping it around my 35mm wand. For all the front sections of my head, I'm making sure to curl away from the face, and then I'm going to alternate between curling towards and away from the face every so often for the rest of my hair. The key to this look is leaving out about 5 centimeters of hair straight at the bottom, just to get that lived-in kind of look. If your hair is curly, you can always do a light pre-straighten of your hair or go back in and straighten the ends later, which I often do as well just to make it look a little bit more piecey. So I'm just going through and curling all of my hair, alternating between curling towards and away from the face and making sure to leave a little bit straight at the ends. Once I've finished curling, I spritz my hair with some hairspray to set the waves and then go on to the top half. I again brush out the hair and go ahead and curl one side, leaving out my front pieces for the moment. I'm doing exactly the same as the bottom half of my head all around my hair. Once I've done one side, I go back to my front pieces. To get that Instagram swoopy bang, all you need to do is curl the front pieces away from the face, bring them into each other in the middle and clip them together. I know it looks pretty silly. You then want to spray the hair so it sets down in that shape. I learnt this from Emma Chen, which is an amazing hair and makeup artist, and I will definitely leave her link down below because I wouldn't know how to do this if it wasn't for her. But by clipping the bangs and letting them set in that place, it's going to make sure that they stay in that swooping motion instead of curling right back away from the face. Once I'm done, I spray some more hairspray and then go in with some volumizing dry shampoo to create some texture and give my flat hair some volume. I'm then going to take out my fringe and recurl a little bit if necessary, and then go in with the dry shampoo again to volumize that fringe. I would have liked my fringe to be a little bit more volumized, which you can achieve by teasing the hair as well, but unfortunately I don't have a teasing comb. The tease really sells the volumized, messy bed hair look, so definitely go through and do that if you can. But that's basically it. I like to get my hands in there and mess it up all throughout the day, as I really think that sells the look. It's such a gorgeous style and I love the 70s bangs trend so much at the moment, and I think it just looks so beautiful on everyone. Thank you so much as always for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial and it helps you out. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more from me, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys! Mwah.